Hello guys, welcome back to on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you if your PLC S7300 or 400 PLC program SIMATIC Manager project file giving read-only error and you are not able to edit the program logic or hardware. So how we can fix that? So I will show you. There are two ways of fix this message. So first I will show you first method how you can fix that. After that I will show you another method. Suppose if you are using normally this message coming if you are using SIMATIC Manager version 5.7, so then this message appearing mostly. If you are using 5.6, then it will not appear this read only message. So I will show you practically how you can sort out this message. So I have this SIMATIC Manager version 5.7. First I will open here that I have this read only error program. So I will open here this SIMATIC Manager. You can see version 5.7 I am using. Click on cancel, open project. So guys, you can see here showing open project. The data is read only. We cannot edit this data. We can read only. We can go online. So we cannot edit the logic. So I will download. No issue with these messages. So you can click on OK. This one also no issue. Click here. I will download in simulator. Then I will show you if we are going to edit. It will not able to edit. Put simulator on run P mode. And click here on SIMATIC station. Then click on download. Yes. Okay. Yes. So our program downloaded in simulator. I will open one FCRFB and will try to edit that one. You can see here also giving error. The data is read only. You can see. We can go online. Now we'll try to edit. Here you can see it's hide the logics. You can see we cannot edit this program. So how we can fix this match error? And after that we'll try to edit. So even you cannot delete anything, will give error. You can see here delete only or read only. Even we cannot delete. Okay, so For this error, we need S7 project message file. I have this SIMATIC S7 project message version 5.7 service pack 2. This setup you can find in Siemens website. Just open it. Run as an administrator. Yes. Let's close this simulator as well. SIMATIC Manager also. So you need this software, SIMATIC S7 project message version 5.7 service pack 2. So once you install this one, that message will clear. So first we'll install, then I will show you that message clear or not. So select language, click on next, accept term and condition, next, next, next. Accept. It will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Guys, why we need this SIMATIC S7 project messages v5.7? So this latest version SIMATIC Manager v5.7 don't have this file include in SIMATIC Manager setup. So if 5.6, 5.5 that have this file already in SIMATIC Manager setup, that's why it's giving error with only 5.7. So it's asking for restart your computer. Installation is done. So we'll restart. After restart, we'll try to open again our read-only message program. Let's open SIMATIC Manager. Click on cancel, open project. Browse your PLC program. So guys, you can see now in software packages list also reduced. Before showing 5 or 6 and now showing 3 only. This is only information, not the error. So click on OK. And you see read only, data read only error not came now. So we can edit or we can delete now. You can see delete. You can delete now anything. Now I will go online. Then I will try to edit also the logic. Now you can see we able to edit the logics. Okay. First I will download in simulator and I will go online. Then I will again try to edit. Then see guys, you can go online and you can edit also the logic. Now you can see we added logic and it's able to download and able to go online. So that's it. First method is completed. Now I will show you second method. So this way you can fix if you are using version 5.7 SIMATIC Manager. So it will give data read only error and you cannot edit the logic. So you need S7 project messages version 5.7. If you are using Service Pack 1, you need SIMATIC Manager S7 project messages version 5.7 Service Pack 1. If you are using Service Pack 2, then you need Service Pack 2. It is available easily on Siemens website. You guys can download from Siemens website. So that's it. First method is completed. So now I will show you second method. For second method we need SIMATIC Manager version 5.6. So I have that one in another VM which is I already power on. So I will open here this SIMATIC Manager version 5.6. Same program I copied here as well, and I will show you here that message will come or not. You can see version 5.6. On cancel, open project, and open that program which was given before, read only error program. So guys, you can see here only giving information missing software packages only, that read only message not coming here. Here we can edit logic as well, or we can delete anything. I will go online with simulator as well for your understanding. Yes. So now I will open any FCFB. So You can see guys, we can edit the logic here. There no more error. Download. There is something wrong with simulator. So leave it, but we can edit the logic. I will check this simulator later. That's it. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share and like. Thank you. Bye bye.